Hello everyone, my name is Swati and in this video I'll be talking about creating of AWS free tier instance which will print a custom message on the screen after its launch. So let's get started. Hello everyone, now I have logged into my AWS free tier instance and there are a couple of things that AWS offers to you, like you can see the various services that AWS has, and here you can access all the things that you do here. Now in this video, we'll be creating an EC2 instance which will print a custom message. So let us first launch our instance. Here I'll be giving a name. Here I'll named it as sample and I'll be going with Ubuntu. If you want to choose another machine such as Amazon Linux or Red Hat or SUSE or Windows or Fedora, anyone, then you can go with that. Here I am going with Ubuntu, which is 24.4 LTH, which is the long-term support, and it's 64-bit of architecture. Here it is. The instance type is T2.micro, which is free tier eligible, and it is giving me one CPU, 1 GB memory, and 8 GB of storage space. Now the next part is to create a key pair. Here I have a key pair, so I'll be using that. But if you do not have a key pair, then you can create a new key pair here and you can enter any name that you want. Go with the default RSA, and you can go with if you're using putty, then you can go with .ppk. But if you want to access it using SSH or uh, by the terminal, then .pem file will be appropriate for you. So when you are done, then create the key pair and it will be saved into your machine. The next part is to go to the network settings. Here we will be creating a security group. If you have an existing security group, then you can go ahead with that, but I'll be creating one, which, and the first is to allow SSH traffic from everywhere, which means that anyone can access SSH into your machine if they have an option to do so. And the next is to allow HTTP traffic from the internet, which means your instance can be accessed from the browser. Now the next part is the storage area, which by default an 8 GB of storage is given to every instance. But if you need more storage, like if you have multiple websites and you want to launch them into different volumes and you want to keep them separate, then you can create more volumes here, and by default 30 GB of storage space is given in the free tier. So you can create as many instances, like 5 instances. So if you need more volume, you can add more volume. Now in the advanced details, there is not much to do, but here the user section is there where you can enter your own custom script if you want. Like when you are launching the instance, then that script will run and it will do whatever you have written there. But if you do not want to choose this path, then you can launch your instance and run that script after that instance is launched. So here I'll paste my script, and here the script is telling the instance that this is the first line is called the shebang, and it is telling that this is the bash script and treat it as a bash script. The second line is for the upgrade the system first. Whenever the Ubuntu is starts running, then it will first upgrade itself. And if you're using Fedora or if you're using Red Hat, then in case of apt-get you'll be using yum, and first you'll upgrade, then it will update, and it will then install Apache 2. If for Fedora and Red Hat machines, then instead of Apache 2, HTTPD is used. After it has been installed and enabled, then we'll go to then this line will be for the root user. Then you have to now go and become the root of the machine, and then after that we'll be running this command, which will be printing, which will be saving this custom text into this path, which is the HTML index.html page, which will be then be printed, run on the machine, on the browser, and this message will be seen there. So after everything is done, we'll launch the instance. Now the instance has been launched. Now the instance is running. Now we will take this public IP and now we'll SSH into our machine here. So the command to SSH is SSH and the name of the PEM file. My name was sample.pem. The name of the machine is Ubuntu, and the public IP. Here we check. Now is asking if you want to continue connecting. Yes. And now I am logged into the machine. Clear the screen. First we'll check if that folder at the custom message is there or not here. So first we'll go to the designated folder that we have created. Oh, there is, I have written something wrong. It's www. Yeah. So now go ls here, and the index.html file is there. To check the content of the file, we'll go cat index.html, and now you can see the custom message is there. Now go and paste our public IP and check. And now it's printing the custom message. This is Swati's page and it's running on the Apache web server. So this is how you can create your EC2 instance and print your custom message on the screen. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.